This is an army driver in Australia, man. The Fiji style driving he brought with him to Australia. Dangerous, man. Where are we going, man?
We're going to the IDC game.
Oi.
The Australian IDC.
Can you explain the IDC?
IDC is the inter-district
Competition.
Yes, something.
Oi. And what is it about?
It's about soccer.
The Fijian community.
Yes.
But mostly Indo Fijian, eh?
Yes.
But you have some Fijian there too playing.
Yeah.
We went there a few months ago. Eh?
Yes. Chef Zito there. Manoj.
True. He's the founder of Nandronga Football Club here in Australia, Brisbane. Not the Nandronga in Fiji, but the one in Brisbane. Very, very involved.
Yes, sir.
So it must be there. They have like a few tournaments a year.
Yes.
So this must be maybe the last one of this year. Very intense. But not a good team, eh?
Hey.
Eh? For Bar playing today or?
I don't know, man. We'll go and check there.
I don't know who I'm gonna cheer for. There's no Lomaiviti or Lebuka team. So maybe I'll go with Nanji. Nanji go!
You on Rashid's side?
Or Rashid from Nanji, eh?
Yes.
Or maybe Lambasa. Bambasinga
Line.
Yeah, but now we are on the way to pick up Rashid, eh?
Yes.
I think the guy is
your boyfriend.
Right. I think that guy is with the girl right now. Because when we called him, he was like, shh.
No, boyfriend. He was with his boyfriend.
Oi, you jealous?
No, right.
This is the ex
Right.
Oh, we're gonna pick him up, and I think we have like another half an hour, man. Where is it?
It's in I forgot, man.
North side.
North side.
I think Nanji won last time, but very intense.
Oh,
people.
yes.
Yeah, it was a good game.
We left before the game ended.
Yeah,
but we knew that Nandi gonna win.
Yeah, I think it was 2-0 or something like that. But yeah, I haven't been vlogging so much. Been busy, man, working overtime.
Saturdays,
Yeah, my family is coming over in 3 weeks' time. So I'm really excited for that. Just for 1 week.
1 week?
Yeah, 1 week. Okay. Oh, you want to sponsor another week?
No.
Avi and Ayush are moving out, man. So we've been moving their stuff this week. And Ayush say that he's not gonna sleep at home tonight. He's gonna sleep in Sunnybank with Rashid.
Hey, no.
You guys are gonna throw a party every weekend, eh?
No,
Boy.
not every weekend, every day.
3 boys, Avi, Rashid and him together. Ooh, dangerous squad, man.
In the weekends you come over, eh?
Come over game a little bit, eh?
Yes.
Rashid's gonna come, and then we're gonna go. Don't know, maybe find some food on the way. Chow Naka, and then we can sit, relax. Eh? What's the game, eh?
Last time we had biryani, eh?
Boy, boy, call Malik. Fix his car. Boy, every time Ayush goes to one of the guys, Malik, one of his colleagues, to fix his car, he always gets biryani. So every time we crave biryani, we're like, call Malik. To the garden. Welcome to the jungle. Bar jungle. This is the house. Open. Give us a grand tour of your beautiful new apartment complex.
That's where you shoes. So you will vacuum.
Whoa! Boy, this washing machine very heavy, man. We carried it up earlier this week. Wow. Look at this.
Setup going on.
Yeah.
Painting.
This is the kitchen, the living room. Earlier this week we played not FIFA, but I think it was Pro Evolution Soccer. And this is like where we're gonna sit and drink kava for sure. Ah. Boy. Outdoor facility. And let's see here. Room 1, 2, 3. As you can see, 3 boys, 1 each room, 1 each other. No, but good, man.
We got this sofa for free.
For a good one, eh?
We are leaving for the sports club.
Yeah.
That's in Groovely.
44 minutes, eh?
44 minutes, right? And as you can see, receipt at the back.
Oi.
Wait, receipt say something?
How's the use?
Hey.
It's IDC tournament.
Yeah.
It's held in north side. And he's supporting Nandi team down there.
And then the defending champions, eh? They won the last tournament, eh?
Yes, they won last time.
Yeah,
By fluke.
by fluke. Ba there today or?
Ba's gonna
yeah.
win today.
Bar
Oh.
playing.
But Ba didn't make it very far last time, eh?
Yes, that one.
Boy, that Nandi team was good last time, man. But Lambasa, very dangerous side to it. Mbambasinga. So the weather is good, very hot. Summertime, eh?
Very hot, right?
And soon Rashid will leave us going back to Nanji. Eh?
Yes, in December.
How long you gonna be in Fiji for?
1 month.
Oh, Junum, man.
Cohen.
Back to see the girlfriend.
No, Ray, boyfriend there.
Publicity then.
Boy, city. Ba.
Hey, da.
Ready city.
Boy, last time we went to see it was the F-16 day
Yeah, sure.
air show.
Yes.
Oh, Brisbane, man, very lovely, very different.
Boy, if you come to city,
Yeah,
you're gonna miss a lot of exit, man.
eh?
One of our friend, Chris up. Tell about him, where is it?
He missed one exit. It was 15 minutes. It went to 30 minutes.
If you come to Brisbane, hire this guy, Uber
Hey,
driver.
no, Ray.
He's very cheap. He'll do it all for free.
Hey, no, Ray.
50 cents.
50 cents.
Only for beds.
Boy, look at the buildings, man. Just
Wait,
like
wrong one. Wait, missed it.
Ay, lah.
pop, 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 pop. Hey, KFC, hey.
Where's the case?
Need to fill up.
Hey, we go on square table or this one fine?
Julum.
Sunday.
Oh, julum, eh? Chicken Express Fiji. Nanji. Boy. Too good, man. Time to go home. Thank you for the lovely feast, KFC. Sponsored by KFC, this video. $38. Family feast. Boy. Fuck, feel like I wanna sleep.
Can't walk now, re?
Can't run.
Can't run. Now I'll run. I should have parked here, re? Chalo, Papa.
I said to park in front there.
Wait, someone parked behind me. I'm not able to get out, man.
It's okay, you give Uber home.
Wait, please.
We are now at the place. You can see a lot of people here, man. A lot of cars.
Wait, we have to pay there for the parking.
Sanai, huh? You want to interview?
Yeah, they can interview.
Yeah, you can see here. QFFA, Queensland Fiji Football Association. Here is the CEO.
No, re.
We have the match between Ayu's hometown, Ba, and the cousin from Ra. Ba versus Ra.
You know Ba is gonna win, man.
Hey, Ba is gonna win.
Yes. Huh?
Ba.
It's the revenge from Fiji.
Fake hopes.
Ba in Australia is shit.
Yes.
Right?
Ba in Fiji different, eh?
But people as well. This one.
Gucci can't.
No, I'm kidding, man.
Wait, nice. Wait, so wait.
Nice.
Oh, close. Nah, I'm neutral. I just want to see a good game. Wait, Ba is down 1-0, man.
Hey, boy, feel bad, re? Fiji to them lost against Ra.
Shock, eh? What was the keeper doing, no?
I think the Ra people.
Very rough, eh?
No, the keeper I think sold out. Eh?
Hardcore.
Oh, he was like, hey, the keeper, man.
Keeper needs 2 heads.
Because he's wearing the head, he should take out his head, he'll see the game properly.
किसमें खेले वो बहुत खराब है
We did a mistake by not taking chairs with us, man. We thought they're gonna be like last time where we could sit down, but now penalty tumba. Eh, penalty?
New. Nice.
Oh, free kick. They have stalls and everything here you can buy,
But no seats.
but no seats. Now free kick tumba. No, ra.
Hey.
Duru. Dusra.
Hey. Oh, let's go.
Another goal to Ra. 2-0.
Foul. Replay.
Second half.
Second half, Ba gonna try hard and equalize and go through penalty and win.
Odi.
Yes.
Nice block.
I'm still looking for my team, Levuka. Oh, we're gonna go home. We came to Simba
Disappoint.
and Ba disappointed us yet again. Like they lost a few weeks ago in Ba to who? Lambasa or Reo? Ba can't finish games, man. Back when I was young, they used to be champions all the time. But now new generation, no. Yeah, down there. You see here, we're on the road again. It was so hot and we couldn't find a place to sit. And Ba was losing, so
Yes, that's why we went out.
yeah, that's why it was a bad experience from the beginning. If Ba won, I think we would have stayed.
Yes.
But this one, very bad loser.
Hey. So now we're going to DFO.
The DFO mall.
Near the airport.
Oi.
This fella told us to go.
See, I'm telling you, I use the best Uber driver.
No worry.
Everything free. Even the food is free. Eh? You shout.
No.
You shout, the people pay.
Yes.
What's the taste?
Boy, julum re.
Tea what?
Bubble tea. Bubble gum.
Bubblegum tea. Huba buba.
Tell the viewers. Boy, nice, eh?
Ew.
What was the name?
Bubble tea, tiger
Tiger muffin.
with Oreo.
Yeah, this is which one you?
This is lion.
Very good, eh? We come here every day.
You want to see the date?
No.
On the road again, man.
Long drive, eh?
Yeah.
We are in the city again. We returning home.
Because this guy doesn't want to pay the toll, only $5.
Only you saying only in
Yeah,
$5.
only, but you're using more fuel driving the bypass, man.
You say only. The $5 doesn't grow on the tree, eh?
But Mamangi, very tight, eh? Very tight ass. You can see here, boy, look. Toll road, and we've been out of the city now because we have to bypass the toll, going all the way to the city again.
Enjoy the view.
It's crazy the tolls in Australia, man.
Enjoy the view and find the view. This bubble tea good, eh?
Eh?
It's a free one.
Go back and buy one more.
Yes. Because he wanted us to go there, eh? So we were coming empty-handed out. So I made him buy this bubble tea.
Boy. Boy, the boy, ouchie. Boy, this guy keeps sucking. He keeps sucking on the straw and it's finished long time ago. Boy, let it go, man.
No. I'll make it so.
Pop. Yes. Go 70.
Hey, why? You wanna Uber back home? Don't change the song.
Boy, that was a good song, man.
Yes, right? Oh. Immigration?
Oh, Fiji remix, eh?
The big. Nice view and more traffic.
Because you wanna save money on the toll. Mamangi. Mr. Mamangi, eh?
Mr. Mamangi tight.
Boy, this should be your nickname. Mr. Mamangi tight. Very tight.
But now not tight because boyfriend.
Don't tell about yourself.
Lose on the thing.